do have a comment that flattening conrefs is handy for translation.
Yes, that's very true. All right, so we just created this book, and it created two frame files. The way it decides how to create book components, or the FM files, is the root elements in the map create a new frame component. So you can think of those as chapters. And so everything at the root elements in the map become the file name, and then any child topic refs are appended to that. So I'll just open up this first guy here, and it looks pretty simple and nice. You'll notice that if I go to the next page, the table title is actually functional here. It's got the continuation variable. And then if we go and see the image, the figure title has been moved to the bottom. We've also got our related link here. And then if we go to the child task, all that information is there, and we've got the related link there as well. If I go to the other file, you'll notice the chapter numbering is correct. Our related link is there. Also, the file, the page numbering is correct, and also in the footer variable, the title from the map is being pulled in and used as header-footer variables. So we'll just close these guys. And let's say we wanted to do a little bit of filtering. Let's say in this list there was an item that was platform specific. So we'll say Windows only item. And again, we'll use the set attributes command and choose the platform attribute, and just select Windows here, apply that. Now let's go and create a DITA file. We'll use the DITA manager, and we'll add a new file. We'll put it in here with our other files, and we'll call the file Mac only. And so it creates a maconly.ditaval file, and we want to exclude all elements that have platform set to Windows. So we'll update that and save it. So it's just created a very simple ditaval file, and close that. Now if we go back to the map, so you see we have this item, Windows only item. Now if we go back to the map and we generate the book again, and that item should be gone because we've told it to exclude that. Okay. Well, that's right. This is live. Well, let's just see what's going on here. Platform equals Windows. Go into the DITA manager. Oh, right. I didn't tell the book build. No. This is why you need to check the book build dialog. Go to Options, Book Builds, here we go, Apply DITA as conditions, Mac only, save. Now if we generate the book, it should work right this time. Yep, it's gone. And if we go up here to special, conditional text, show hide, and show all, we see there's the item that's been hidden. So that's it for the filtering. Let's do a quick build through the DITA Open Toolkit. We're back here at the map, and we choose the generate output command. And what this does is it just sends the map directly to the Open Toolkit Ant scripts. Frame isn't doing anything here other than this is just providing a convenient interface. So we'll do the build, and you get the nice DOS environment. And so this is should be done in a second. All right, successful. It's always nice to see that. And here's this chum file that we just created. Pretty basic, but all of our related links are there. Our image is here, and this image used its native size as opposed to the 96 dpi that we set in Frame. We've got our index. All the index entries are in the same topic, so that's not very useful, but there it is. One other nice feature I can show you right here is the create archive command, and what this does is it creates a zip archive of the map and all referenced files. So this is really handy for archiving or sending a snapshot of something to a coworker. Let me just go over here and I'll show you what. Oops. Here's the zip file it just created, and it just knew to add the image, the map, and the 3 topic files. So that's really handy.
2 quick questions for you, Scott.
Yep.
Were you using a customized CSS file for the chum file you just showed first?
Yeah, that's actually running through my slightly tweaked. I have an Open Toolkit plugin that moves the related links to the upper right. Yes.
Second question is, can you point the DITA Open Toolkit build to write all files to a specified location? In other words, so that there are no files added to directories that hold the source content.
Yes, you can. The default Ant script that comes with DITA FMx just tells it to add that folder of files to the current directory, but it's just Ant, so it's totally up to you how you set that up, and you can point it to you can define the location and name of the Ant file that is being used. So that's completely up to you. All right, so I'm going to close all these files, and I'm going to open the map for the DITA FMx documentation. This is a proper book map. It's got